This tutorial involves scheduling basics. When scheduling an appointment under Vetter software, you will want to be sure you're under the Schedule tab and that you're in the Appointments window, and that you will want to have the correct date for which you'd like to schedule an appointment. In this case, I'd like to schedule an appointment for Saturday, June 10th. For this example, I am scheduling an appointment for Dr. Voulgaris at 9 in the morning on Saturday, June 10th. Drag out the appropriate time. Make sure that you select the correct appointment type. Type out a shorthand version of the complaint, or in other words, the reason for the visit. Make sure to add ellipsis, that's 3 dots, followed by your initials. Again, confirm that you have the correct staff, the correct client and patient. Precautions generally involve notices for this patient, and so you will want to leave them. However, add in additional notes clarifying your shorthand complaint. Again, after typing the further elaboration on the complaint, type ellipsis and your initials. Since this is a patient that is just a test, we won't be sending a confirmation or a reminder to this client. Click Save. And now your appointment is scheduled. Notice in this appointment, again, you want to have the correct evaluation type, the correct staff. You will want to have the correct complaint, again, the shortest abbreviation or the reason for the visit, with the ellipsis and your initials. And then the further elaboration should also end with your initials. Say you need to change this appointment. You will want to go ahead. In this case, for this appointment, I needed to write the date that I scheduled this appointment. I'm going to edit. And save. Now, most changes are going to require that you amend the appointment notes. So, for example, say I'm going to change this appointment from Dr. Voulgaris at 9 o'clock to Dr. Goulard at noon on Monday. Make the appropriate changes. Change the staff as discussed. But now, at notes, you're going to want to notify the staff and make a note of your changes. RS is shorthand for reschedule. You'll want to make a note of what day you made the changes. Again, you can do ellipsis and then your initials. Again, no confirmation and no reminder for this test patient, but you will want to check with staff on appropriate protocols to use. And you can see the appointment. And hovering over it, you can see we have assigned the different staff, the correct client and patient, the same general basic complaint, followed by the ellipsis and your initials. And then notice here at the bottom, we have reflected the changes that we made to our original appointment. In this case, rescheduling from Dr. Vulgaris to Dr. Goulard on 6/9, and my initials. And those are the scheduling basics.